day in Southern California. We've had a little bit of rain, so it's just beautiful out. The foothills here of the San Gabriel Mountain have a little bit of moisture, so they're getting green. And I can hear water in this creek behind me. I've got my pole, so you know I'm in training for a backpack later this year. But today, my hike is partly on roads, dirt roads, and then trail, from the trailhead to a destination called Deer Park. And I can't wait to get started. My destination again today is called Deer Park. Well, again, this is a hike that I've never done before, so I'm pleased to say that it's very well marked. Again, I started at a parking lot, paid $6, started on a paved road, and headed towards that Trask Boy Scout camp. I am here, and I'm going to take this trail now, and my destination, which I can see on this map, is called Deer Park. It's about 3.5 miles one way. The sun is shining, so what a beautiful day for a hike that I've never done before. And I'm impressed. The trail is very well marked. Look at this. You don't see this kind of signage too often on trails here. There's a lot of this. Do you see that plant there? I'm not even going to touch it. That's poison oak. It has a very distinctive looking leaf. And again, touch it and you'll get a rash. It's all over here. So far so good. My destination, Deer Park. Made it. This is called Deer Park, and there's actually not a lot to see. It's the site of an old resort that used to exist here many years ago. The resort long ago burned down. This is the foundations of a building that used to be here. It's oaky, nice boulders here. Knock on, poke around. I'm sure there's rattlesnakes. But come up this way. An old corral. Because in the old days, people used to come up here by horse and burro. I'm at just about 3,000 feet above sea level. A great hike to do in the middle of the winter, like today after a rain, or because it's largely shaded. I could imagine even doing this in the summer if it's not too hot. Deer Park.